Hello, Super Writers. Welcome to your writing job for today. Today, we are going to practice a skill that we will use this week and into next week to work on our very first research project. But our target skill for today is I can take notes on a subject for a research report. Taking notes, what does that mean? I'm so glad you asked, first graders. Let's get started. When you take notes, you pull out the most important pieces of information from a text. We will be using non-fiction texts for our research reports, like this text below on polar bears. First, we must read our text. Polar bears live in the Arctic. It is a land of ice and snow. Polar bears have a layer of fat. It is called blubber. Blubber helps keep them warm. They also have thick fur. The fur looks white, but the hairs are actually clear. Polar bears have a good sense of smell. Some people call polar bears noses with legs. They use their sense of smell to hunt for seals. Seals are their favorite food. Polar bears are tiny when they are born. Their eyes are closed. They have short, fine fur. Polar bear mothers feed their babies and keep them warm. All right, boys and girls, when I write a research report, I read about a topic that I don't know a lot about. Then I write about what I learned. So, in order to write about what I learned, I must first take notes. So today we are going to take notes on 3 things from this text. The polar bear's body. In the text, it tells me that polar bears have good sense of smell. That tells me about their nose. They have thick, clear fur. And they have a layer of fat called blubber. These are all things that I learned that I can later write sentences about. Where they live. Let's look back in our text to find where polar bears live. I read in my text that they live in the Arctic. The last thing I'm going to take notes on today is polar bear food. What do they eat? They hunt for seals. We read in our text that they like to eat seals. It is their favorite food. All right, boys and girls, now that we have taken some notes together, it is your turn to find information in this nonfiction or informational text. Here you see a short passage about camels. Many camels live in deserts. Camels have long legs and humps on their back. Camels can live to be 50 or even 60 years old. Camels eat plants that grow in the desert. Now, boys and girls, it's your turn to take notes on camels. What did we learn about their bodies? What they look like? How long do they live? What did the text say? What kind of food do they eat? Have fun, Super Writers. I'll see you next time.